Okay, the next problem wants you to enter your answer in exact form. So 9 pi over 4, let's graph that. 9 pi over 4 goes around, it's really 2 and a quarter pi. If you divide 4 goes into 9 2 times the remainder of 1. So really that means you go around 2 pi and then another quarter pi. So you're basically to this spot right here, which is the same as you at pi over 4. So this angle right here is pi over 4. So there's our reference triangle that we'll draw. And then the sign is, we know the sign is the y value. At this point on your unit circle is square root of 2 over 2, comma square root of 2 over 2. So the y value is sine, square root of 2 over 2. Cosine is square root of 2 over 2, the x value. And then tangent is opposite over adjacent, or sine over cosine, which is just 1. Secant is the reciprocal of cosine, so it's 2 divided by the square root of 2, which you can rationalize that and make that 2 square root of 2 over 2, which is just square root of 2. It turns out that this is equal to just square root of 2. Okay, this is the same problem as probably, I think it was 9, but we did this same problem, so move on to the last one then, which is 15. Wants to find the exact value without a calculator. So if you use your unit circle for this one, it's pretty straightforward. 5 pi over 3, if we want to figure out where that's at, you can divide pi into 3 equal parts. I'm sorry, 6 equal parts. So do this in a different color. 1, 2, 3. I'm sorry, let me try this again. I'm going to divide 3 into 5. It goes in once with a remainder of 2, so it's really 1 2/3. So that means I go over 1 pi and then I go another 2/3 of pi. So it'll be 1 pi plus 1, 2. So it'll be to here, where this is a 60-degree angle then. And so those exact values on our formula sheet, that's 1/2 comma negative square root of 3 over 2. And so if we want the tangent of that, that's sine over cosine. So that's negative square root of 3 over 2 divided by 1/2, which is the same as multiplying by 2 over 1. So that gives me the square root of 3. And then just keep going with this. So the tangent of pi over 3 is divide pi into 3 equal parts, and we're talking about this one right here, which is a 60-degree angle. And that will be 1/2 comma square root of 3 over 2 on our unit circle. So if we want the tangent of that, once again, we want sine over cosine, so we want the same thing, basically only positive, so it's going to be positive square root of 3, right? And then the next one, the cotangent of 7 pi over 6, would be, it's really 1 1/6 pi, so that means we go around once, 1 pi to here, then we go another 1/6 of pi, so I'll break this into 6 equal parts. 1 2 3 4 5 6, so it'll be right here. We know that's negative square root of 3 over 2 comma negative 1/2. So the cotangent of that would be cosine over sine, so it's negative square root of 3 over 2 divided by negative 1/2, which is the same as multiplying by 2, negative 2, and double negatives cancel, and you get square root of 3. Alright, next one, secant 3 pi over 4. That's really 0.75 pi, so let's really divide this into 4 equal parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're looking at this point right here. We know that's negative square root of 2 over 2 comma square root of 2 over 2, which, if we want to do the secant of that, secant is really the reciprocal of cosine, so instead of cosine we need to reciprocate this, which gives us negative 2 over the square root of 2, which if we rationalize, that gives us negative 2 square root of 2 over 2, which is just negative square root of 2. And so for the last one, e then, 5 pi over 4 is really 1 1/4 pi. So that means we go around 1 pi and we go around another 1/4 pi, so we're looking at this point right here, which is negative square root of 2 over 2 comma negative square root of 2 over 2. So we're looking for cosecant, that's the reciprocal of sine. So we want to take this sine value, the y value, and reciprocate it. So we get negative 2 over square root of 2, which we can rationalize again, knowing that we're going to get negative square root of 2. All right, I hope this helps.